Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need power, the Alexa app, and your Wi-Fi info. Start now. First, confirm the Echo shows a steady or pulsing LED. This tells you it has power. Next, open the Alexa app and sign in. Make sure your phone is on the same network as the Echo so the app can detect it. Once done, force a device scan in the app and note any immediate errors. This speedily narrows whether the issue is power, network, or account related. If the Echo still won't connect, restart both the router and the Echo. Power off, wait 60 seconds, then power back on. This clears many transient network problems. Next, in the Alexa app, forget the device and run the Add Device flow. That forces a fresh handshake and reconfigure settings. Make sure you select the correct Wi-Fi band. Some devices favor 2.4 GHz for setup, and enter the password carefully. This method fixes IP conflicts and authentication errors most of the time. Finish by checking for and applying firmware updates in the Alexa app. Updates resolve bugs and compatibility issues. If problems persist, perform a factory reset to return the Echo to default settings, then re-add it in the app. This eliminates corrupt configs. Make sure to re-enter credentials and give the device time to download updates. Troubleshooting tip. If issues remain, note exact LED colors or app error codes and retry steps. Those specific speed support or targeted fixes, and avoid unnecessary replacements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.